two chambers up there called atria,
Right.
plural,
Mm-hmm.
ventricles.
Yeah.
Now, these two ventricles, remember how the heart contracts. Remember? Top goes first,
Right.
the bottom goes second. So watch my hands. Atria goes first, then ventricle goes second. Notice that when this is going, what's this guy doing?
Opening.
Yeah, because relaxing.
Oh, yeah.
But you never, you can't
So I'm
measure it
gonna go
because
slow
it's
motion.
covered.
This goes, and now this goes, finishes.
Okay.
By the time this finished, this is
That
filled.
Fully relaxed.
Now, what's going to happen is, now, this is doing this. While this is relaxing, what's it doing?
Filling.
Filling.
Feeling right.
So that means I see three activities. Atrial contraction,
Atrial contraction.
ventricle contraction. I don't see the atrial relaxation because this guy's
It's
contracting.
covering it.
See, when this is going like this is relaxing.
Oh.
You see this? And then I see the relaxation of the ventricles. So I see three things. So when I'm looking at the EKG, I see this. P, Q, R, S, T. Come on in. P, Q, R, S, T. Are you following me? I see these three activities. Now you know why I see those three activities
So-
I showed you.
P.
P.
PRS is the ventricle contraction.
Correct.
Right.
So P is atrium contraction. QRS is ventricle contraction, and T is ventricle relaxation.
Okay. Now, only one modification I will add to it. It's not a contraction, it's called depolarization. Technically, we don't call it contraction because EKG measures electrical activity.
Right. So
If you're measuring electrical activity, how can you tell the contraction?
Oh.
Even though, so remember in the muscle, as I was telling Shika, in the muscle, skeletal muscle, we said calcium released from the terminal cisterna caused the muscle contraction, or binding to troponin, does all that stuff.
Right.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if I ask you what causes the release of calcium from terminal cisterna, what do you tell me?
Sodium traveling down the sapropelma.
Not sodium, but entry of sodium causes
Okay.
that. But we don't care about that. We just said if you remember in class, I said electrical impulse
Right.
causes the release of calcium. The sodium stuff is a topic for physiology that you're going to learn.
So in the
But
heart,
there was
the
electrical activity.
impulse.
So that means in the muscle, you have electrical activity. In the heart, you have electrical activity too. So when we talk about the P wave, we're talking about atrial depolarization. Just like in the muscle, neurons send messages, allows electrical activity to go across the muscle contracts. In this case, the same thing, heart contracting. It's
So
not
it
part of the heart.
depolarizes when it contracts.
Depolarizes, yeah.
Yeah.
So basically depolarizes, atria first, then ventricle second. Repolarization
Oh, yeah.
means relaxation.
Relaxation.
Yeah.
So do you say the ventricle depolarizes,
In the
That's
QRS.
correct.
right, in QRS, and then it repolarizes
Repolarizes
in
in
the
the,
T?
in the T.
Okay,
This is the simplest explanation. That's all you need to know,
that's
nothing
all we
else.
need to know. Okay, excellent.